But little did he know, his greatest discovery would not be about the stars, it would be about nothing. The problem with Long, long ago, in a land of golden temples and flowing rivers, there lived a boy named Aryabhata. He was not like other children. While they played games, Aryabhata would sit under the stars, his eyes wide with wonder. He would count them, trace their paths, and dream of understanding the secrets of the universe. But little did he know, his greatest discovery would not be about the stars, it would be about nothing. The problem with numbers. In Aryabhata's time, people used numbers to count, trade, and build. But there was a big problem. They had no way to write nothing. Imagine trying to write the number 10 without a zero. It would just be 1, and no one would know if you meant 1, 10, or 100. This made math confusing and hard. Kings, merchants, and even priests struggled with it. They needed a way to show emptiness, but no one had found it. Aryabhata saw this problem and thought, what if there was a symbol for nothing? A mark that could hold the place of emptiness? This idea burned in his mind like a tiny flame. But when he shared it, people laughed. Nothing is nothing, they said. How can you write nothing? It doesn't make sense. But Aryabhata didn't give up. He knew that sometimes the biggest ideas start as the smallest sparks. The night of the stars. One night, as Aryabhata sat by the river, he looked up at the sky. The stars seemed to whisper to him, telling him secrets no one else could hear. He thought about the space between the stars, the vast empty darkness. It wasn't just nothing. It was a space full of possibilities. That's when it hit him. What if emptiness isn't the end? What if it's the beginning? He rushed to his teacher, an old and wise man, and said, "I found it. A symbol for nothing, a circle like the shape of the moon or the sun. It will mean emptiness, but it will also mean potential. We'll call it shunya, zero." His teacher frowned. "Aryabhata, this is dangerous. People fear what they don't understand. They will say you are challenging the gods." But Aryabhata stood firm. "The gods gave us minds to think and dream. I must share this. It will change the world." The birth of zero, Aryabhata began to teach his idea. At first, people resisted. They called him a dreamer, a fool. But slowly they began to see the power of zero. Merchants used it to keep better records. Builders used it to plan grand temples. Even the stars seemed to shine brighter, as if they approved. But not everyone was happy. Some said zero was cursed. "It represents nothingness," they whispered. "It will bring bad luck." Aryabhata faced many challenges. He was mocked, ignored, and even threatened. But he never stopped believing in his discovery. One day, a powerful king heard about Aryabhata's idea. He summoned the young scholar to his court. "Explain this zero to me," the king demanded. Aryabhata drew a circle in the sand and said, "This is zero. It is nothing. But it is also everything. Without it, we cannot count the stars, build great cities, or understand the universe." The king was silent for a long time. Then he smiled. "You have given us a gift, Aryabhata, a gift that will last forever." The legacy of zero. Aryabhata's zero spread across the world. It traveled on ships, in books, and in the minds of great thinkers. It changed math, science, and even the way we see the world. Today, zero is everywhere, in computers, phones, and even the rockets that fly to the stars. But Aryabhata's story is not just about a number. It's about courage. It's about believing in an idea, even when others laugh. It's about looking at nothing and seeing everything. The whisper of the stars. If you ever feel small or unimportant, remember Aryabhata. He looked at the empty sky and saw a universe of possibilities. He gave us zero, a symbol of nothing that became the foundation of everything. And if you listen closely on a quiet night under the stars, you might hear his message. Even in emptiness, there is potential. Even in nothing, there is hope. So the next time you see the number zero, remember the boy who dared to dream of nothing and change the world forever.